Hey, ever wondered how to create those perfect uniform pearl knots you see on the heirloom embroidery? You're about to learn the secrets to the Palestrina stitch, also called the pearl or double knot stitch. In the next 3 minutes, we are unlocking a single elegant looping move that will completely elevate your embroidery game. Cotton fabric, embroidery hoop, needle, and thread. That's all you need. Bring your needle up through the fabric at your starting point A. Insert the needle down into the fabric at the point B. Bring the needle back up through the fabric at a very short distance from the point C. Now slide your needle under the first stitch you have made. We will call it as AB. Do not pierce the fabric, just slide under it. Pull the thread through gently. This creates a small loop or twist around the anchor stitch. Now you will pass the needle under the anchor stitch AB a second time to lock the knot in place. Slide your needle under the stitch AB again, positioning the needle below to form the first loop. The thread should loop around the needle before you pull it through. Pull the thread through and snug it up. This forms the tight, bumpy knot. The size of this initial stitch determines the spacing and the arm of your knot. Move forward a short even distance along your guideline and bring the needle up through the fabric again to begin the anchor stitch for the next knot. Repeat the steps again to create a continuous line of knots. And there you have it, the secret to the perfect Palestrina stitch distilled into one simple move. If this quick tip helped you, hit that subscribe button for the more micro lessons designed to level up your skills. Now grab your floss and see how many perfect pearls you can make. Happy stitching!